In this video, we will see how to update graphic driver on Windows 10 and 11. So guys, for this, first of all, you simply right click on your this PC. After that, you go for the option of show more options, then go for the option of manage. Okay. After that, simply go to the option of device manager. And guys, here you see it shows all the list of your drivers. So if you want to update any particular driver, so you go and click on this drop down menu, then right click on the driver. After that, click the option of update driver. Then here you see there is a two options: search automatically for a driver and browse from my computer. So you choose any of them. Okay, make sure that your computer is connected with your internet. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.